Hey guys, Leroy from Rack and Roll in Australia, or Rack and Ride if you're in the US. This is our new motorcycle hitch carrier. Just a video on loading your bike, unloading your bike, strapping your bike. An easy way to get the bike off, I find, is just loosen your peg strap. Unhook the inside. I've already loosened the front tie down straps. Outer peg, and then just get the bike in second or third gear and pull the clutch in, get it rolling. Then you can just use the clutch as a brake. So instead of trying to stand over the bike here, you can't see what you're doing. One hand on the seat, one hand on the clutch, and you just bring it down as slow as you like. Then when you go to get the bike on, bikes with a clutch in Australia we load from the driver's side. Bikes without a clutch, scooters, mopeds, Groms, Posties, we load from the passenger side so you can throttle them up. But I find the easiest is just get the bike going. Don't store it, maybe let it run for a bit. This is actually a good tip. If you do stall it, because it's in gear, it's not going to roll back since it's probably still in second or third. Just grab the clutch, put a hand on the knobby, pull the clutch in, and just walk it forward. If you have to do that a couple of times, it's pretty easy. So then I just hook onto the outside peg. We've gone away from the hardware to the pegs. We're using straps on this version. They're a lot easier to use, a lot more versatile, and you can adjust it so that the bike's laying in and then you can let go of it. Strap onto the inside peg. While the bike's laying in, just pull that down. Then grab the seat, use the bike as leverage, pull the outer strap down. Now with your bike, depending on your bike, if it's a Jap bike with a steel frame, they're hard to strap through the frame, so you're going to use the pegs. If you use the pegs with a normal set of MX tie downs, and these are going to be your peg straps, I just cut this off. Cut it off, burn it with a lighter. You can shorten this tail up, so once the bike's on, you can tie that up a couple of times to be out of the way, or you can cut it down to suit, that'll be gone. If you've got a tube frame bike, KTM, Husqvarna, Gas, 690, KTM, all those types of bikes where they're easy to strap through the frame, I would strap through the frame because it's even stronger. So do that. If you're going to strap through the frame, when you load the bike, you know, I'd probably initially hook on the peg, but then come up and do the front strap first. Hook in the peg to hold the bike, get your front straps on. In this case, we'll just do this outside. These front straps, this front tie down bar we've added so you can use backup straps. You need to have multiple straps on your bike. Just putting one set on the pegs and hitting the road, that's not good enough. So with the straps up the front, these are as backup straps, so you don't have to yank the front down. You know, you'll find whether you're coming off the pegs or with a tube frame bike, if you're coming off the frame, just slide up in there through the Y. It's very easy on both sides. That's even stronger than the pegs. So once you get the bike down inch and a half, you know, 35-40 mil on the frame, and push it, the thing's rock solid. So the idea of these straps up here are just as a backup in case something goes crazy here. So these front ones, they're pulling them down ½ inch, you know, 10-15 mil max. Same, so tie them off both sides. But yeah, that's the concept of this rack. It's got multiple points where you can secure. If you do come off the pegs, then you can tie at the front, or if you do come off the pegs, you can still put a set of straps on the secondary points and come off your frame. Anywhere you can secure the bike on the frame is the strongest possible point. So that's what it's all about, getting multiple straps on your bike so that it's in the rare event, we've had very few, something like a turnbuckle or snap hook breaks, then your bike's not going to come off because you've got secondary straps. So it's all pretty simple. It only takes another couple of minutes to put extra straps on, but then you know everything's going to be there when you get home. Thanks.